This webinar is a short, sharp overview lasting 30 minutes, where we're going to look at the key provisions of the Building Safety Act for April 2023. We'll explore what they're going to mean for industry, some steps that you can take to get ready for them, and at the end of the webinar, I'll give you a summary and some key takeaways. The Building Safety Act, as mentioned, is a moving feast. It's a large piece of legislation and it's coming into force at several times in a piecemeal fashion. So these short webinars are an ideal opportunity to top up your knowledge about the Building Safety Act and just what is coming next. Doing a bit of a look ahead also to what happens thereafter, so that you can build your blocks of the Building Safety Act in an incremental way. Do also check out the links to resources, which are at the back of this materials pack. Through those resources, you'll find other resources, interesting publications and commentaries, and those will no doubt take you to other places as well. So do take time to explore further the Building Safety Act. A few statistics now, just to set this all into proportion. We're talking here about 12,500 buildings which are described as multi-occupant. Those are housing approximately 1.3 million people, which is approximately 2% of the population. Broadly, but not equally, split between 52% of social housing and 48% of private housing. Of those 12,500 buildings, 88% of those are estimated to be higher risk buildings. Now, we know from the data on fires that the known risks to life are fire spread and are structural failure. And it is also known that those risks are greater if one is in a higher risk building. Therefore, we can see the spread of the legislation, how it affects all parts of society, but with particular emphasis on those much larger, much taller buildings in question.